Additional company information. In addition to your company details, you can enter additional company information in this screen. You can enter statutory information, intercompany tax number, registered name, registration number, tax office, and your company entity type. From company entity type, you can select closed corporation, company, partnership, sole proprietor, or trust. Under additional company information, you can enter your company city, province, and country. If you have tax practitioner, you can enter tax practitioner details, practitioner registration number, telephone number. You can enter SaaS company contact information, first name, last name, capacity, contact number. These details optional, so if you have these details, you can enter. After you enter additional company information, you can save.